Habayakran bat kinong patay kubor kanong aiktian ka sorkar jala ka kong amparin lingdo kalaong baka sorkar kan aipor ya ka search committee banwat eki Riewshemphang bat ka sorkar kam kwa ban lek kerki ya kan nikakam namar bakadai ka kam ka bakyabha bat menta ki kam ki jam ki Iaid shakhmat banwat eki khot ki bakloi ban kli ni ban long ki khot ha ka committee kalau ong bakalong ke badan kam ban long ki bapet ngor bat ki bayai ab bat ken am lek kerki ya ken ka kam ke bakya ke badan ya ki babun ki benta ki biade bat ka an ka kanun Kementeri Sorkar kali itu baya ke jinglong khot hak expert committee in pensiong nong rembha ye ki jingkeli bat ki jingpensai ki balawan ra da ki ken hun ki baper ha ke biade bat ke reservation policy Kakong amparin kabalong kakli jong ka committee jong ki seng san perthai halo ka roster kalaya thu bahkan sesem ya karai laken dang beteng ban penlong ya ke jingalang jong ka committee bat kadang up ban yo ya ke jing pensau na ki seng san perthai kalau ong bahaduk menta ka committee kam shimla yo ban lum ya ke jingalang namar ki babun ki seng san perthai kim shimla IT ya kinu ki jingtho la no tang ka we ka seng san perthai ka bala pha ya ke jingtho ha ka be dei bat ka roster system
all political parties, all stakeholders, irrespective of the kind of forum that they all represent, will be given adequate opportunity to present before this committee their proposed observations, proposed deletions, omissions, and hence there should be no fear from political parties because that is going to be sorted out. It may take time because it's a cumbersome exercise, but every political party will be permitted to be presenting its views before this committee. As far as the implementation of roster, there is a committee in place. Any observation that is being felt by the various political parties can always be brought to the attention of the committee. We will sit, we will talk. One letter has come from KNAM. However, I have clarified again, nomenclature used in the government's announcement may not conform to certain words which they may want us to use. However, in principle, in spirit, in letter, the roster serves the purpose of the implementation of this practice that has been going on in the state of Meghalaya since 1972. Convention and practice will be traditionally followed through, and whatever observations being made, political parties can send these observations. We are yet to decide whether this committee headed by me will be sitting again or not. We are yet to take a call on that. We are still waiting for all political parties to send in their observations. Up till today, we have not been able to take a review of that because many political parties have not submitted anything to now. One political party may have submitted something about usage of a certain word in the roster, but other than that, everything else has still not taken final shape.
What is the deadline for your committee?
There is no deadline. We are waiting for political parties to please kindly forward their observations, their suggestions, omissions, deletions, and we will take it up. And like we said earlier, we ourselves as a committee, when we sat twice, realized that we are not competent enough on our own to study the complex nature of the reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya.